In today's video, I'm gonna show you easy ways on how to make thumbnails in your phone, just like this and this, coming right up.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Ted. Thanks for dropping by. Today, I want to share to you how to make thumbnails just like my favorite YouTube vloggers, Cian Evans and Peter McKinnon, just by using your phone.
In this tutorial, we need 3 applications. Don't worry, they're all for free. So we need Picsart, Snapseed, and background eraser. We will attempt to recreate this Hot Ones thumbnail in Peter McKinnon's as best as we could using only our cell phones. Alright, so let's start by erasing the background of this logo. How to do that? Just select your image and then go to your options and then select the app that you need to use, which is the background eraser. So automatically it deleted the background, but I don't like the way it deleted it, so we're gonna adjust it just by selecting what we need to cut, which is this image. Alright, and then let's go and save that, and then let's just repeat the process of erasing the background of what we've saved. Alright, I think it's much better. So now let's save that. Let's go ahead and erase the next image, which is this one. So it perfectly deleted the background of the image. Let's just resize that and let's go ahead and save it. Alright, we're good. Alright, so now for the fun part, let's go ahead and go to our Picsart so we could assemble everything. Okay, so once it loads, just click on the plus sign. And then let's get the base picture, which is this one. Alright, from there, we could add now our 2 elements, which is first the logo. Let's go ahead and use this. Add. Alright, let's put it here. Alright, we could add now our model, which is Aquaman. And then let's adjust the tilt just a bit, make it bigger. Alright. And from here you could actually adjust the photo. Let's add like temperature. Let's make it warmer. Just to match its background. And then let's add some saturation. Alright. And then let's add some contrast. Alright, I think we're good. And then let's just save that. Let's click the check mark and then hit save. Save to gallery. Alright, so here's our finished product. Alright, so here's our thumbnail. Let's just resize it to a standard size for thumbnails. I think that's good. Just save it. Alright, and that's it. We've got a thumbnail just like the Hot Ones. On to the next thumbnail. Let's go and recreate the second thumbnail. This is the before and after thumbnail. The trick to this style is to start from the end. What do I mean by that? Let me show you. Alright, so let's select this image. Alright, so let's enhance this photo by just doing color corrections, and we're gonna use the Snapseed for that. Alright, so let's go to Tools, Tune Image, let's go to the highlights. Let's just make this picture lively. Let's go to Shadows. Alright, I think that's about right. Saturation. Saturation. Focus on the face. Alright. Alright, let's go to warmth. Let's make it warmer. Alright, I think that's good. Let's go to ambience. Alright, look at the background. Alright, I think that's much better. Contrast. Contrast, let's lower it down a bit. I think that's good. Alright, done. So we're gonna use the same image and we're gonna use the same app, which is Snapseed, to edit this, but this time we will make it more not that appealing or flattering. Alright, so let's go to tools, tune image, highlights, lower it down, shadows, lower it down, saturation, lower it down, contrast, add some contrast right there, warmth, make it cold, and then ambience, lower it down, and then brighten up a bit, and I guess that's it. Let's save that. So we're gonna use now the Picsart app to assemble all of this. Alright, let's go to Picsart. Let's pick a canvas. Alright, let's start adding those two photos, starting with this one. Just click on add, enlarge it, put it here, and let's add the other one. Put it here, the check mark, and then let's add the other one. Alright, make sure they are about the same size. Alright, I think we're good. Put the check mark and then just resize it 16 by 19. Put the check mark and then let's add text. So let's put there before, put the check mark, add another text, after. Alright, put the check mark and just save it. And here is our finished product.
Okay, in addition to that, don't forget to watch this video, the anatomy of a perfect thumbnail, and also this one. That's it for me for this week. You have a wonderful one. See ya.